life is about hospitality, is about enjoying things, enjoying people, enjoying good food, good wine. And this is what I want to translate to the people and to our staff. Let's have fun, let's enjoy life. We'll work hard, but in the end, nothing big comes from not working hard. We prepared our signature dish. It's a variation of beetroot seasoned with spruce branches, a little bit of red onion agrodolce, sauce which is based on bear fat and fig leaves, and just for the touch of luxury, osietra caviar. I have deep responsibility towards our guests to provide the best experience. But at the same time, I would just pick something from the ground and cook it and learn from my mistakes, because that is how you get there. This is how you perfect your craft, through mistakes. We are in the Slovenian Julian Alps, on the border. Ingredient can come also from Italy and also from Austria. It makes more sense for us to get it from a farmer from this region and to support them no matter from which country they are. The seasons here are quite short and harsh, so we focus a lot on foraging. I grew up on a farm when I was quite young, so this connection to the land and nature is quite strong in me and is kind of shaping the cuisine that we have here at Milka. Try to be responsible towards environment, towards other people, society, and in the restaurant we want to utilize leftover ingredients, and one of those examples is spent coffee. We take it to our farm where Matea uses this as fertilizer for the plants. We always talk about sustainability in nature, but never about the people. In Milka, we are trying to build a culture where we try to be kinder to each other. We are encouraging an open dialogue. I'm also first time in this role as a chef, as a mentor, as a leader. So I also need to be a better mentor for them and to be more understandable. We go and we pick spruce tips, spruce branches, walk up the mountain, and it's always a fun time to go a little bit outside the restaurant. The Michelin stars, they came really early, and it is a pressure to be even better. We see the small details that we can improve.
Shiva will be also joining us?
At 6.
Yeah? So let's start the week on a good note, huh?
Oh yeah. Good service!
Good service!
When I was thinking about the concept of the restaurant and what I want the guests to experience, it feels like you translate the feeling from yourself to the guest. It's just that transfer of the emotion.